Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, you're most of the welcome. You know the deal. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing, girl? Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also turn the notification bell on. It's super important. When I have a video on my channel, you'll be informed. Okay, with that being said, Odi, what how you guys doing? Today I'm coming up to you with I'm coming up to you with a hair tutorial, summer kind of simple hairstyle without bothering yourself. Which kind of hairstyle, you know, just snap on your pony, you're good to go, girl. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyway guys, if you're interested, you want to see how I put this hairstyle together, and if you want to recreate it, I hope it's going to be helpful. Super simple, like I just said. Just stick around, just enjoy, and as always, don't forget to do you. Stay pretty, stay blessed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah.